Imagine there's a warehouse fire, and you are the fire chief. How would you get an overview of the scene to direct your crew? We spoke to one of the largest fire departments, where the answer sometimes is live broadcast from a news chopper. The problem is, a department helicopter would be $1,800 an hour. Also, drones today are not a solution because most only fly for 20 to 60 minutes. At aerobotX, we're building an autonomous airship that flies for 8 hours. This is not just relevant for public safety, but also for the inspection of long-range infrastructure like pipelines. In fact, PricewaterhouseCoopers estimates a market of $45 billion for drone-powered solutions in infrastructure. Ultimately, our airships will provide aerial services on demand, with no pilot in the loop. For example, think of the warehouse fire. Suppose an airship could be deployed autonomously. It would provide situational awareness with augmented reality. And after its mission, it would return to the base station that automatically performs post-flight checks, recharges the battery, and refills helium if necessary.
Precision hover or close-up steering inspections do not just require sufficient flight time, but also helicopter-like maneuverability. To test our unique propulsion design, we built a small-scale proof of concept. We created a simulation environment that accurately models the airship's flight dynamics, and we developed a control system that provides stabilization in all directions. Thanks to our computer vision-based position and motion sensor, our airship takes punches just like simulated. But not just that, our airship can precisely hover even in the wind. We have letters of intent worth several hundreds of thousands of dollars, and we are soon completing our first outdoor prototype.